The Lost Colt. Beth had wanted a pet for a long time. When her mom and dad asked her what she wanted for her gift, she said, "A pet. The kind I want most is a small colt, but if I cannot have a colt, I want a dog or a cat." Mom and dad wanted to get a colt for their child, but they did not know where to find one. They also did not have a stall. A colt could not be kept in the den. Then a man at Dad's job told them he had one to sell. It could stay in his stall if Beth fed it each day. It was not at all wild and would be a fun pet for a child. The man sold Mom and Dad the colt. The plan was to put it in the backyard and then bring it to the stall at the end of the day. Mom had a thick string on the colt so that it would not bolt off and get lost. When Beth got up, Mom and Dad put a blindfold on her and led her to the yard. When they got to the back, they took the blindfold off and said, "Here is your gift, Beth." But there was no colt, just a string. "Where is the colt?" "We must find it," said Mom and Dad. The colt was lost.